Let me take you back to a time when there was no money. Let's imagine, for example, Fred's got some cheese and Bob's got some vegetables. Fred wants vegetables, Bob wants cheese, and so they agree between themselves the value of each item and they trade. It's called bartering. And bartering works fine until there's a big difference in the value of what's being traded. The system doesn't work, and that's when you need something different. That's when you need money. First in the form of tokens of precious metal, and then developing into the money we know today. And the great advantage of money is, whatever you're buying, it's always worth the same amount. It comes in different amounts or denominations, so you can always add up the total amount you need. It's easily recognised, and it's legal tender, and that means it must be accepted in payment of a debt. The money in the UK is issued by the Bank of England. You can't have a bank account with the Bank of England like you do with Barclays or Santander. The Bank of England's different. It controls and issues all the money in the UK, the pound sterling. The banknotes and coins are made by the Royal Mint for the Bank of England. The Royal Mint is based in South Wales. So how do you know that the money you've got is actually the real thing? Well, they've got lots of security features to help you check. Whether that's the feel of the paper, the raised print or the metallic thread, or the watermark that you'll see an image of the portrait of the Queen. It's also printed on very high quality paper. There's micro lettering you can only see with a magnifying glass. The number 10 goes red and green in ultraviolet light, and there's a hologram on the foil patch on the front of the £10 note. The heads of our coins are always an image of the king or queen. Consecutive monarchs always face a different direction, so the next king will face left. There are a number of different designs on the tail side, and these are the latest. They fit together to make an image. Each form has got some coins so you can work it out. Finally, there's a limit to the amount shops have to take in payment. If you try to pay for your Mars bar in 1p, the shopkeeper might take it, but the legal tender rules say he doesn't have to. Your tutor has a bag of money for you to look through and discuss, and there's now a short quiz on legal tender.
Created using Powtoon.